Okay, I know it's been like 3 weeks since I posted a video and you guys probably already all unsubscribed, but while I was in Europe, I was staying with my sister and her whole family. She has 4 daughters under the age of 6. Well, I mean, the oldest one is 6. I slept on a mattress outside of the baby's room because their house is really small. They don't have an extra guest room, so I have to sit down for like 6 to 12 hours to work on a video before I post it, and I just could not get like even 1 hour like in just sitting at my computer. Like, I was busy going and seeing places, but I did record everything, guys, and I have so much content to show you. And so whenever I do get back on the way home on my 9-hour flight, I literally catch the worst bug. I don't know if it was on the flight, I don't know if it was in the German airport, but I am just now, it's Sunday, and I got home on Wednesday, just now feeling good, like I can do voiceovers, because I could not, like, talk without, like, hacking something up. I was scaring everyone at my Thanksgiving, like, Aunt Abel's family's Thanksgiving, like, I had to go in the bathroom and, like, have a cough attack during the, food time. But for the past, like, 3 days that I haven't been completely sleeping off my sickness, I have been trying to formulate all these videos, but I will be uploading back on my normal schedule. So this video will be going up on Monday and I'll be posting on Thursday again. So I will be posting twice weekly and maybe even more. I've been trying and I feel like everything has been going against me. Please keep watching. So I just said bye to Abel and thinking. I'm excited. I really am. My dad is coming to pick me up, and then we're gonna go to Dallas, and I'm spending the night there. And then tomorrow I fly out. It's all my stuff and that. So after my dad picked me up, he just had to drive past their house where Linky was staying.
Bye-bye.
Oh my goodness.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Linky.
See that water bottle over there?
But it can do like super wide angle. Oh, the trees. I'm here. Oh my gosh, you guys. This place is so freaking beautiful. I'm obsessed with Europe already. I am here in Keith and Ryan's place, and Ryan is my sis and Keith is her husband, my brother-in-law. Keith is actually on a business call right now and Ryan is at lunch, but they will be here any minute. So the only reason why Ryan and the kids weren't there was because she had planned on us being an hour later, so she and the kids were at lunch. And the reason she was planning on this was because Keith had a conveniently timed business call, so he was planning on parking on the road and doing his business call with me waiting in the car, but I was like, no, let me just drive instead while you do your business call. So yeah, what I'm saying is your girl drove through Germany the moment she got there in her brother-in-law's car, and they actually have cameras that get you for speeding and then they mail you a speeding ticket. So Keith, I'm very sorry if I got you any speeding tickets. I swear I didn't mean to. The place is so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. I want to live here. I really want to live here. Beautiful living room. So cute. Keith's down there in his car doing a business call. Oh, I'm obsessed with this furnace though. And then here's the kitchen. So freaking nice. So it's like 6 a.m. over there right now. And back at home, you know, back in Fayetteville. So Abel texted me at like 3:30 their time, his time. He texted me Lincoln is crying right now and it made me so sad. And he's never been a whole second night away from me. He's only been one night away from me. So yeah, last night you probably realized like, well, she's really not coming back. Like, where'd she go? Crying in the middle of the night, and it really makes me sad to hear that. And then my favorite little girls arrived. It is? It's too small. Oh.
Yeah, you're gonna take a picture.
Cheese! Aww.
Cheese.
And then it got darker and we headed out to go see Luxembourg. I don't know what to call it. And oh my gosh, when I say this place is amazing, you guys, it is like an actual fairy tale land.
Yo, what was that girl's name again? Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Was it Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan. Oh!
So after we got the kids to school, Ryan took me to this little thrift store I really wanted to check out, and she's so cute. This is her being a jokester. And then she took me to this beautiful little bakery, and I was recording all of the luxurious looking treats until the woman kindly asked me to stop. And this is officially where my drinking adventures begin. And then we went out to lunch with the kids, and this is my niece's meal, and that's mashed potatoes, and I had ordered fish, and to my surprise, oh my gosh, Ryan took a picture because she thought it was hilarious. But yes, it came as the whole entire fish. And Miss American Girl was not expecting that. Yes, this is a fish. And luckily, this lovely lady was having lunch with us because she was the only one who knew how to debone the fish. So yes, I did eat it. And it was probably the freshest tasting fish I've ever eaten. And so that night we went down to this little Christmas carnival they have in their area in Luxembourg, and oh my gosh, it was the most cutest just experience and the sweetest thing with my nieces. Oh, good job, Blair! And that's where I'm going to wrap it up, but on Thursday, I got a whole new video for you. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, so I'm popping back in to say real quick that it is Cyber Monday. And so if you're watching this on the same day that it came out, you are able to go get my merch for 25% off your entire order. So you can get my shirt and you can get my hoodie and you can get 25% off the entire order. And you just have to use Cyber at checkout. So just had to pop on here and tell you about that hot deal. Give it a thumbs up, please. It'd help me out really a lot. Yeah, love you guys. Bye.